In this video guys, I'm gonna share with you my methods and my strategies that helped me to earn $10,211 just in 13 days from the first day of this month of July until the day 13 of this month. I made $10,211 in commission with affiliate marketing using TikTok. This is new methods that I never shared before in my YouTube channel, and no one is talking about this method on YouTube. And I'm gonna share guys everything I did, everything I'm using to make this commission. So you just need to copy and paste and make sure to watch this video until the end, and let's get started. This is my affiliate account dashboard. It's not screenshot guys. I can click over here. I have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments, post bag, sub affiliate, commission plan, affiliate store. This is my ID here. I don't need to show that. That's fine. Just to show you it's not screenshot like other people sharing with you. This is my affiliate account dashboard. Okay. This is my clicks. This is my CTR. This is the people who paid for this service using my affiliate links, so on. Okay. Anyway, so for people who want to start making money with TikTok affiliate marketing, step number 1, go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down. Keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliates website. As you can see, you can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying a good commission, and it's not like other affiliate marketing businesses. This one is profitable. You can just click over here on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliates program. And as you can see guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do is you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, account type, make it private. Scroll down. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. If you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy, will take just a few minutes from your time. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. Okay, so you should see your commission here, your clicks, CTR, and so on. Okay, so now I want you to pay attention guys, because I will share with you a profitable affiliate link that I'm promoting on TikTok to earn commission. So make sure to pay attention. Pay attention. Go back to your Fiverr homepage like this, okay? And click on the search for TikTok video editing. So since we are promoting our affiliate links on TikTok, we will use services related to TikTok, okay? So why? Because people who are using TikTok, who want to grow their TikTok account, they will be interested to buy this service from you. They will be interested to make their TikTok videos more engaging and professional to get more views. Okay, so that's why I choose this service. So what you will do, you will scroll down and pay attention. Like I said, always choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose, for example, I'm gonna choose for example like this one. This one is level 1 seller. He has a lot of reviews. This service starting from $5. That's really good. A lot of people can buy this service. So I will just click on this service like this. Just click on the service that you want to choose. For example, for me, I choose this one guys, as you can see. So let me show you what you will do next. Okay, you will be directly in this seller profile page, and as you can see guys, this seller has 4 orders in queue, and as you can see, a lot of reviews. It's more than 700 people paid for this service guys. Okay, So people are buying those services. Those people who keep saying in the comments it's not working, people will not buy those services from you. Okay, so why the seller has 4 orders in queue and a lot of reviews here? And which people will buy this service? Of course, only people who has TikTok account, people who has TikTok account and they want to get to grow their TikTok account and edit their videos. Okay, so anyway, so what you will do, you will copy the link of this seller. Just copy the link of this seller profile page on Fiverr, go back to your Fiverr dashboard homepage like this, to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here, and you have your dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports. Click on marketing tools, click on default and dip links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on dip link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do now is you need to promote this affiliate link on TikTok. Before we do that, we will go back to this seller profile page. We will scroll down. This seller has video. That's really good. Let's check his video. So his video explaining his service to his customers. So let me delete. As you can see, his video explaining his service to his customers and how he will edit their TikTok videos, make them more engaging and professional to get more views. That's really good. So what I will do, I will double click on this video and I will click on save video. I need to save this video to my laptop. Okay, so save this video to your laptop. It's super easy and it's for free. I'm gonna name it TikTok edit. So just TikTok edit. Click on save. Okay, and this video will be saved to your laptop. What you will do next, you will go to Google and you will search for Canva like this. Okay, search for Canva. Click on the first link. Sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple and it's for free. You will be directly in this page like this. This will be your Canva homepage. Click over here on create design and search for TikTok. Search for TikTok. Search for TikTok video. Okay, here you should see here TikTok video. Click on TikTok video. You will be directly in this page like this. Click over here on upload and click on upload file. Okay, and upload the video that you download from Fiverr. Okay, we will use this video to create our TikTok video to promote our service. So this is my video about TikTok video editing. Click on open and here you go. Your video will be uploaded like this. Click on your video and your video will be over here. Let me show you. So click on your video and your video will be over here like this. Okay, it's super easy. So just make it like this. I'm gonna make this video like this. Okay, put this video here. Okay, like this. Click on the background here and click on background color and choose black color. Okay, so choose black color like this. So it's good. Click over here on text and scroll down. Choose which text style you want to use. So for example, I'm going to use this one. I like to use this one. Just choose a text that is clear. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. So let me show you. Okay, I'm going to click on this text and I will put this text here. I will delete this one and I'm going to keep just using this one. I'm going to decrease the font size of this text like this and I will put this text here. Okay, so write this sentence. Double click and write this sentence here. Okay, check link in my bio to get TikTok editing service. Okay, like this, and make this text like this. Let me see, check link in my bio to get TikTok editing service, because we will put our affiliate link in our bio for our TikTok account. Okay, so make it like this, double click, duplicate, and you can put this one over here too, so it looks good. This is a good video that you can use to promote this service on TikTok. You see, so that's really good. So your video should be like this. This will be your TikTok video. Click on share, click on download, and this TikTok video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go and open your TikTok account. It's for free, guys. Okay, you can open TikTok account for free. Okay, and TikTok, guys, let me show you. TikTok has really a lot of traffic, guys. It's 2 billion monthly visitors. Do you see the potential of TikTok? And you keep saying it's not working. 2 billion monthly visitors, millions of people every single day scrolling on TikTok. Okay, and that's why you should start using TikTok to promote your affiliate links if you want to earn some commission. Just create good videos and you can make a lot of money using this method. 2 billion monthly visitors. I don't need to talk too much. It's enough, okay? You know what I'm talking about. Go to your TikTok account, open your TikTok account, upload, click on upload here and upload this video, and go to your TikTok profile and put your affiliate link. Okay, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and they still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Just copy your affiliate link from here, go to TikTok and put your affiliate link in your bio, and people who will watch your video on TikTok, who are interested to edit their TikTok videos to get more views, they will see your TikTok video like this. They will see this, check link in my bio to get TikTok editing service. They will check your bio, they will find your affiliate link, they will click on your affiliate link, they will be directly in this seller profile page on Fiverr. The seller is good, seller has a lot of reviews. Click on continue, buy this service from you, and you will earn commission. And that's it. It's really super easy. That's how you can promote your affiliate links using TikTok. And that's it. If you guys want to get more methods like this, more new methods, comment in this video affiliate marketing, and I will start sharing with you guys all my new methods that I'm using to earn commission. Okay, you can also use Facebook, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Instagram Message, in Facebook groups. You can use Quora, you can use YouTube Shorts, and a lot. Check my YouTube channel. I already shared a lot of methods for free, and that's it. And comment affiliate marketing if you want to see more videos like this. Make sure to like this video and see you in my next videos.